So from Da Nang, Vietnam, we are traveling by plane to reach Hanoi City of Vietnam. It's about 1.5 hours to reach Hanoi City, and we're lucky to have a sunny weather and clear sky. Located at northern part of Vietnam, Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam and known for its centuries-old architecture influenced by Chinese and French culture. The first place we visited is the St. Joseph's Cathedral, and located within the old quarter of Hanoi. It's the oldest Catholic church in Hanoi, built during the 1880s, and its architectural style resembles the Notre Dame de Paris.
Guys, nandito na kami sa
We're here at Hanoi.
Kumain lang kami saglit. So sabi nila itong restaurant daw na to is one of the best food. Ang style niya parang karinderya lang. Pero sabi nila masarap daw dito. In-order namin isang soup. May gulay, tas may noodles. Ayan. Tikman mo na ka?
Masarap. Parang natin. Parang
sopas natin.
sopas mo natin.
Ang lasa? Good?
Parang gulaman.
Same day, after our lunch, we wandered the markets within the old quarter. There's a variety of shops pouring into the sidewalks, and motorcycles navigating in narrow streets. The old quarter seems to be a hectic place.
So guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Hanoi. Kaya makikita nyo, nandito kami malapit sa railway station. Harap lang kami ng pagkain. Napaka-busy ng street. Kung makikita nyo, daming sakyan, tsaka mga motor. So, andito kami ngayon sa isang street kung saan maraming mga restaurant, mga bilihan ng mga kung ano-ano. Ayan guys, ang dami. Ang daming mga sakyan. Parang Pilipinas lang din. Ngayon lang guys, tingnan mo yun, tingnan mo yun, daming mga motor.
Huh? How much?
Yun na, 15. Dalawa? Dalawa. Wow! Juice!
Dalahin na mo yun.
Look at it. Dati. Tingnan mo. Juice. Tingnan mo, juice. Oh guys, bumili ako ng sugar cane. Around 15,000. Vietnam dong. Tikman natin kung masarap. Sarap. Fresh. Fresh na fresh.
Last place we visited inside the old quarter is the famous train street. It's a narrow city street where the train railway and the train passes very close to homes and cafe. We saw a lot of tourists visiting this place, probably due to its unique attraction where the trains pass just inches away from the buildings. Looks like the width of the train takes up nearly the entirety of the train street.
What's the taste? Delicious? You like it? Yummy. Dito kami ngayon sa gilid ng Riles. Train Street. Magkakape lang kami dito. Tapos nandito kami talaga sa gilid ng Riles ng tren. So iniintay lang namin may pumuntang tren. Tapos try namin tumawid. Thrilling experience. Ito rin yung mga isa sa mga tourist attraction ng dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. Ayan si Dade.
Hi.
Kape.
Coffee with coconut. Tasty.
Masarap.
Delicious, yeah.
Kakaiba yan, may coconut na kape. Ito yung menu nila. May kape, may juice. Meron din pagkain. Parating na po yung train.
Where it will come? Here or here?
Ayan guys, dumaan yung tren, natubi yung Tansan. So,
The next day, we visited the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. This serves as a resting place of Vietnamese revolutionary leader and president Ho Chi Minh and was built during the 1970s. Unfortunately, it was closed inside at the time of our visit, but they said it's open to public every morning except Monday and Friday.
hello, andito kami ngayon sa Ho Chi Minh Memorial. Ayan ang mausoleum mismo ni ang dating leader na si Ho Chi Minh. So yun kasi hindi pwede pumasok, so hanggang dito lang kami. May pictorial lang sa labas. Makulimlim ngayon, magandang panahon.
Ho Chi Minh is famous because he led the fight for independence against French colonialism and later against the United States. After the mausoleum, we travel approximately 25 kilometers east of Hanoi City to see the Mega Grand World at Ocean City. The place is boast of a wide array of seamlessly integrated amenities. This urban complex had a unique streets, stunning squares, and shopping center. The kids enjoyed riding on a kid's car.
Yesha is driving. Hello, Yesha is driving a car.
She wants to kiss it.
Where's the bird? Wow! Ate, good job! Look at the picture! Good job, ate!
One of the main attractions here at the Mega Grand World is the gondola boat ride along a canal. The architectural landscape seems inspired from the Venice in Italy. Around the canal, the view looks festive.
Oh, andito kami sa gondola. Hello. Para siyang mini Italy na river. Ang ganda. Hello guys, oh. Hello.
After the Little Venice inspired park, we rented a golf cart to take us on the other theme park. This place is highly recommended for a family getaway.
Last day na namin dito sa Vietnam. Nandito kami sa Hanoi. Ayan, nandito ako sa on top of balcony dito sa hotel namin. Ayan ang view namin sa likod. Mga bahay, mga buildings. Ayan, mag-breakfast na muna kami bago kami bumiyahe.
After our breakfast, our last activity in Hanoi is to ride the city bus tour. This is one of the best way to see and know more detail of the key landmarks around the city.
Saan ka dati?
We are about to depart for city bus tour
Okay.
in Hanoi.
Hanoi. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa city bus tour dito sa Hanoi. Yan, kung makikita niyo suot ko yung traditional hat nila. Napa-triangle. Ayan. Sabi nila, pag ito suot mo, nakakabawas ng init. Kasi gawa sa, hindi siya tela. Parang gawa siya sa nipa ba?
Kabaka?
Kabaka. Ayan, si mami kasama ko. Ayan.
Lots of places to visit and things to do at Hanoi City, Vietnam. A mix of historical sites and new landmarks makes this trip a unique and unforgettable experience. Me and my family had so much fun. Thanks Hanoi City. Bye for now.